Oh my God!
To the great gathering.
Welcome.
Welcome. Bienvenue. Marhaba.
Yokoso.
Welcome.
Benvenuti. Willkommen. Karibu. 欢迎
Willkommen.
Bienvenidos. Welcome.
Everyone on this earth is part of the great Symphony of Us. Each of us a unique instrument, playing harmony to one another. And even though we are all playing different parts, it's our unified heartbeat that connects us, reminding us that we are more alike than we are different. A rhapsody of rhythms that unites us and connects us through commonalities of the heart. Come, find your place in the great Symphony of Us. When we are born, we come into this world a raw noise. Cradled in tenderness, we tune ourselves to the world around us.
Don't stop your crying, it'll be alright. Just take my hand, hold it tight. 可以呼唤我到你的身边。Je serai là avec toi. 'Cause you're in my heart.
found our voice and added to the ensemble of our ancestors, our family, nuestra familia. Recognize the music in others, trading notes and improvising. Music becomes play. Sometimes we find another, and our melodies blend. And suddenly, with the hum of our heartstrings, our world becomes a duet. Inevitably in life, the accompaniment drops out, and we experience great loss. We find that the melodies we cherish are gone, and for a moment, we are playing alone. When somebody loved me, everything was beautiful. And when she was happy, so was I. When she recuérdame, when somebody loved me, everything was beautiful. Every hour spent together. But we are never truly alone. Sing out so others can hear you. The music we make echoes back at us in chorus, in concert, in symphony.
of July marks 250 years since the founding of this nation.
Today we celebrate generations of people from all walks of life who have woven their stories together to form this tapestry that is the United States of America.
As Disney celebrates America, join us now in a salute to the enduring spirit of the American people who stand together and become the heartbeat of freedom.
Lift every voice and sing.
Till earth and heaven ring. Ring with the harmonies of liberty.
We hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal,
That they are endowed with certain unalienable rights.
and that among these are life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness.
USA!